Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail World, what it do? Y'all already know what it do, man. We done made it here to this first stop. We out here in Brentwood, Tennessee, over here at Berkshire Hathaway, one of the #1 real estate companies in America. I believe the company is owned by Warren Buffett. I'm not 100% sure, but right now, today, high is only supposed to be 42. Right now it says it's 37, feel like 34. We got 1, 2, 4 more cars to do today, so let me hurry up and knock this out, get it done. But right now we're doing this Lexus. I know y'all don't see this Lexus all the time on the channel, but once again, I try to explain y'all, consistency is the everything. It's always great to have consistent customers and new customers, things like that, but your repeat customers are always the customers that's going to keep you in business and things like that. But y'all already know, car fairly dirty on the exterior because, you know, the snow and things like that. And right now it look like it's trying to snow right now. Weather's bananas, but interior a little dirty because it's been a while. You know, like I say, winter time, something about the winter fall time, the cars just get a little bit more dirty because there's more debris on the ground because of trees and leaves and things of that nature, and it constantly stay wet outside. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on the exterior first. We already got the things out, pressure washer, vacuum plugged up, everything of that nature. And one thing I will admit, I appreciate everybody leaving comments telling me how they like me putting up the checklist on the videos. And like I said, if there's anything else y'all want me to put on the videos, y'all want me to explain what year the car off, the specs, things like that, I'll start doing that too. But go ahead, man, stay in tune with me. I'm gonna stay in tune. Appreciate y'all checking out TY38 TV, and we're gonna continue to do this, man. I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. All right, Detail World, man. We done finished this first car today, man, which is this Lexus NX 300, man. We got the car completely done in and out. Like I said, it was just a basic maintenance clean. Her car never really dirty, and like I said, we're just getting a lot of that salt and brine from the snow from last week. But other than that, man, we headed to the next location. We a little bit late, so we finna hurry up, get over there. We'll be over there 30 minutes ago. But I'm trying to tell you, cleaning these cars takes time. No matter what time frame you may have, it may be something that may be on the car that may take you a little bit more time than usual. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. Like always, man, y'all stay dedicated to over here. I'm gonna stay dedicated like I am over here. Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. And y'all already know I'm gonna continue dropping this content for you, and I'm gonna see you at the next one, man. So peace. All right, Detail World, y'all see it, man. Still 38, say it feel like 36. Still a little cold out here, but we just finished this Chevy Tahoe right here. I know I didn't show you any other work prior to. I was running 10 minutes late, so I was trying to hurry up because now I'm running about 15 minutes late to my next appointment. But you see the car looks amazing like always, man. We take so much pride. You know, we take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So you already know, man, you got to take pride in whatever you're doing, man. Like, nope, whatever it is. But you already know how it go, man. You got to stay consistent, persistent, and relentless, man. But we about to go ahead and head to the next stop. It's probably about 10 minutes from here, which is not, you know, not too far, but it may be 15 minutes. I'm gonna grab lunch. Brother kind of hungry, haven't eaten all day. But y'all already know, man, stay dedicated to whatever y'all got going on. Sorry the camera's moving because I was moving the camera off this stand. Let me get a quick glimpse of the interior because the whole interior is already done, man. We already knocked that out. You know, she got dogs. She got 2 dogs, so it always got dog hair and dog prints all over the seats, things like that. But y'all already know we take so much pride over here in Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, man. So on that note, take pride in whatever you're doing. And like I said, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We made it to this third appointment right now. We're about to do this BMW X5. Right now, we're gonna work on the exterior and then get into the interior. Interior gonna take a little bit more. She just came outside and asked me how long it's gonna take. With the way it look, I told her it's probably gonna take 2 hours. So we about to go in here, get it cracking. It's a little dirty. I haven't done this car in about a year, so you know what I mean. You see the seats, definitely got dirt all on the seats, things like this. So we got a ways to go, man. But like I said, we're gonna get on the exterior first, then get to the interior, and then, you know, do what we do best. But y'all already know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. Y'all already know, man, it's nothing, man. So I'm finna go ahead and do what I need to do, and y'all already know, man. So keep doing what you're doing. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. You see these wheels are pretty dirty, so you see the exterior dirty too. But I'm gonna go ahead and do what I gotta do, man. And y'all do what y'all gotta do. Hit that subscribe button today, man. Today is the day. Episode 503, I believe, or 502. But y'all don't know. We're gonna keep going, man. I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Y'all already know we still out here doing what we do best. We just finished this whole car completely. Completed the exterior and interior car. Y'all saw the interior of the car. It was a little bit dirty, so it took us a little bit more time. We got here about 1:30, is approximately 3 something, so it took us an hour and a little bit. But you remember what the seats look like. Seats literally had a bunch of dirt and gook all on the carpet. It definitely had a bunch of dirt and stuff right there too. So y'all already know, man. We already got the car done. We got one more stop to do. One more car to do, maybe 2, but I doubt we'll be able to get 2 done because she said her mom's car is pretty dirty. But I don't know, all of a sudden my battery is low. I'm not sure if the battery's getting low because how cold the camera is, because it is cold out here and the camera have been in the van with me all day. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Get to my next stop, probably about 30-minute drive here. But y'all already know, man, continue to be great and we're gonna be great together, man. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, y'all already know what it do, man. We actually got here about 3:30. It's approximately 5:40, so y'all know how long it took me to do the car. But we got the car completely done. She should be super enthused with the work, because y'all already know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And like I always tell you, man, when you take pride in whatever you do, you definitely gotta keep going, you know, just but we got this car done for the day. About to head home, probably about 30-40 minutes from the crib. Hopefully there's no traffic. But like I said, the interior of the car is what really took us the longest. The exterior didn't really take nothing. We probably washed the exterior and got the exterior done in the first 20 minutes of here. But it was the interior that was really bad. Had a lot of makeup on the seats and things like that, a lot of stains. But we got in here and made sure we did the best that we could, especially with the sun going down. So that also was the bad thing about it. But I know she's definitely gonna be enthused with the work, because y'all already know, like I said before, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And when you take pride in whatever you're doing, man, the job ain't nothing. But y'all already know, man, like always, one love, love thyself. Can't love nobody if you don't love yourself, man. I'm gonna keep pressing that issue forever, man, till this channel go away. But like always, one love. I'm headed to the crib. Peace and one love.
Cause I was on YouTube watching TY38.